Hello friends, I am going to discuss about unit number 1. I also discussed the section B. At first, please read the instruction. Read the following paragraphs and answer the questions. We are really familiar with this exercise. We are familiar with this topic very well. Now, particularly I am going to discuss about unit number 1, read 1, can you install now? How you can answer of this question? You can at first read the extracts or paragraph or dialogues which are given here. After a while, you read the question. What is the first step to install love? We can find out ready-made answer here. The first step is to open your heart. Instead of your, we have to write down the or her, because customer is she. The first step is to open her heart to install love. The first step is to open her heart to install love. Now the second. What guidance was given to the customers? Guidance. The meaning of guidance means માર્ગદર્શન. ગ્રાહકને શું માર્ગદર્શન આપવામાં આવ્યું હતું? ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો લવને પ્રસ્થાપિત કરવા માટે ગ્રાહકનું હૃદય ખોલવા માટેનું માર્ગદર્શન ગાઈડન્સ આપવામાં આવ્યું હતું. The first step is to open her heart to install love. This or that guidance was given to the customer. Okay. Now second paragraph. Customer service representative. Yes, but remember, you must read this paragraph and try to answer this question. What should the customer remember? We can find out answer from it. Remember that you have only the base program. The customer should remember that you, instead of, we have to write down C, has only the base program. She need to begin connecting to other apps in order to get the upgrades. If you write down whole answer, it's okay, not to worry. So once again, I answer this question again. The customer should remember that she has only the base program. She needs to begin connecting to the other hearts in order to get the upgrades. Why should she begin to connecting other hearts? So we can find out its answer. The intention, his reason. The answer of that question is here. He should begin to connecting other hearts in order to get the upgrades. In the exam, most of the time, we can find out ready-made answer from the paragraph. We can find out the answer from the paragraph. Okay. Now next. customer, it says error 412. From that paragraph, the question asked by the paper setter, what is the customer's problem according to the customer service representative? So from the question we can write down, according to the customer service representative, the customer gets error 412, program not run on internal, the word internal components. The customer problem is that error 412, program not run on internal components. Once again I reply this answer. According to the customer service representative, the customer's problem is that he has got the error number 412, program not run on internal components. Now we are going to discuss about the second question. How can the customer solve the error? Customer આ error, આ મિસ્ટેક, આ ભૂલને કેવી રીતે દૂર કરી શકે છે, ઉકેલ કેવી રીતે લાવી શકે છે? તો the customer can solve the error by loving herself. It means the customer has to love her own machine before it can love others. Once again, the customer can solve the error by loving herself, or we can write down ready-made answer from here. It means the customer has to love her own machine before it can love others. In that way the customer can solve the error. Now next, what message will the customer receive? The customer should receive, but in the exam will receive asked, so we have to write down will receive. The customer will receive a message that the customer will receive a message that says it will reinstall for the life of her heart. That is the answer. Okay, this is the ready-made answer. Now next, what is to be done in order to get the upgrades? The customer needs to begin connecting to other hearts in order to get upgrades. Okay, next, what is freeware? What is freeware? So love is freeware. When will other people return some really neat modules back to the sender? Now understand it. We can find out answer of that question from here. First of all, we try to understand the meaning of the question. Sender. It means મોકલનાર. ક્યારે મોકલનારને ખરેખર સાચા પ્રેમના બીજા પાસેથી પ્રત્યુત્તરમાં નમૂના મળશે. We should be sure to be get it and its various modules to everybody we meet. They will in turn share it with other people and they will return some neat modules back to us or back to them, back to sender. So we can write down answer from the here also. The sender will in turn share it with other people and they will return some neat modules back to the sender. Okay, now next question. Which of the following program is not running? These are the program pasthut.exe. These are the program and love is not program. Love is software. That is why answer is love. Correct answer. Love is correct answer. These are the program. Love is the software. Okay. What can automatically erase pasthut.exe? What? So we can write down here love. Love will automatically erase pasthut.exe. Thank you.